In this video, let's talk about how to edit the source files in your static website so that you can display the data when the user navigate to your web page. Okay, so this one right here is your droidscript.cloud URL, and we will edit the source code to the web page that this URL points to. If you haven't watched the previous video regarding this Premium Plus account series, please do watch it first. And now let's go to the file browser that I talked about in that previous video. So we'll grab this first link here and open this in our browser. This will open a file browser that that is the same as the file browser we have in our DroidScript app. So this is the file browser for mine. We have here the apps and the public folder, and this file routes.json. And if we open our link here, our droidscript.cloud URL, then we will be having this simple website that displays hello world. So this is mine for now. This is mine, and I haven't edited this yet. In this video, let's dive into editing this file so that we can display maybe header here, a simple header, and other things that we want to display. Okay, so going to our file manager or to this file browser. Okay, so I repeat, open this first link here. Your name ifs.droidscript.cloud key your key here. Okay, so it will open up this file browser. Okay, so this file browser is very familiar. We have the same actions, the same menus as the DroidScript file manager that we have. Okay, so to edit the static website, we need to go to this folder, the public folder. Okay, so public folder. And in this folder, we have this index.html file. And the same as the DroidScript file browser, if we double click this one, it will open the source code for this. Okay, so the raw index.html file. And for now, I have here hello world. Actually, we can edit this file here in the browser by clicking this edit icon here, and then maybe we can change this word, this hello world, into this is my first website. Okay, like that, and then click save. And then as long as it is saved, your droidscript.cloud URL will be changed also if someone will navigate to that, or we will going to refresh our website here. There you go. We have this. This is my first website. So that is one way how to edit this file here. But what I'm going to do for larger projects, we'll create the project locally in our computer. Okay, so I have mine here. Okay, so let's create a project folder first. So I will name mine my website, just like that. Okay, I will open this into the VS Code. Okay, now I have the project folder open in my VS Code, and then I will create an index.html file. Okay, just to have an example of how to upload this in the cloud. So we have here my website as the title, and then we have here, maybe we'll add some h1. Come to my first website. Okay, just like that. And then, in order to upload this to the cloud, the same in DroidScript, just drag and drop this file into our public folder in this file browser online. Okay, so if we drag this one, it will rename the file into index1.html. Okay, so we don't need this one, and this is our new HTML file, so we will going to delete this, and then rename this one into index.html, as that is the entry point for our website. Okay, so let's reload our website. Okay, we should have this welcome to my first website heading here. That's how to edit and change our static website using droidscript.cloud. Very easy and very simple to navigate because we have a file browser that is the same as our DroidScript file browser. The second way to upload files and folders into the file browser in the public folder is to use this VS Cloud CLI that I have created for you guys. Maybe drag and dropping is a hassle for you, then maybe running something like Cloud Deploy in the command line is the best option if you are working with large projects. Okay, so I will go to npm and then search for VS Cloud CLI. And then it will open this Cloud CLI, this one right here. Okay, it was published 2 days ago. And then I will grab this install command here, open my project, and then install this in my computer. I think I need sudo here. Okay, let's wait for this to install. The package has been installed already, and then let's initialize this project as a DS Cloud project. Okay, so we'll run cloud init, and then it will ask for our cloud key. I'll grab mine. I have already pasted my cloud key, just like this one right here. Okay, in our example in our previous video, we have the name, dash, and then your cloud key. Okay, so I have already pasted mine, and then the CLI will connect to my DroidScript.cloud account file server. If the connection is successful, it will ask me to what project I will associate this project right here. So it will ask me if it is a Node.js server or it is a static website. So I'll select this static website right here, the second one, and then press enter, and it says you're all set up. Run cloud deploy to publish your site. Run cloud deploy. Okay, so deploying site, cleaning online files. Files are ready and uploaded successfully. It will say that your website is now ready. Visit https your droidscript.cloud URL. Okay, so if we go to our public folder, okay, so we have this index.html file. And then if we reload our website, it still has this welcome to my first website h1 tag because we haven't changed this yet. So let's go change this to this title has been changed. Okay, so okay, save that one and then run cloud deploy again. Then deploying website. Okay, so your website is now ready. Visit https your droidscript.cloud URL. Okay guys, so that's it. If we reload this website, it will say that this title has been changed, and if we go to our file browser and this double click this index.html file, we can see that our h1 tag here has been changed also. So that is the second way to update or deploy our static website to the file server or to the droidscript.cloud online using the DS Cloud CLI that I have created for you guys. So remember to DS Cloud CLI, so just search in this package in npm and install this in your computer, because we will be using this in our future videos regarding deploying Node.js servers also to the cloud. So that's all for this video. Tune in for the more videos, upcoming videos regarding this series.